Hello student, I'm Anjali Sinha, your geography teacher. Today we will do the full review of chapter 1, India's size and location. Introduction. The Earth's surface is spherical. It has neither a beginning nor an end. As such, it is impossible to locate any place on it unless some mathematical method is used. As you know, the rotation of the Earth establishes two fixed points, namely North Pole and South Pole. A circle equator divides it into two equal parts, Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. Equator is named as 0 degree latitude. Look at the map. Equator divides globe into two halves. Northern half is known as Northern Hemisphere and southern half is known as Southern Hemisphere. Zero degree longitude known as prime meridian divides globe into two parts. Left hand side is known as Western Hemisphere and right hand side is known as Eastern Hemisphere. Latitudes. Latitude is angular distance of a place north or south of the equator. They are imaginary circles running from west to east on the globe. They are parallel to each other. Total number of latitude is 181. 90 in Northern Hemisphere, 90 in Southern Hemisphere, and 1 is equator. With the help of latitude, we can measure the distance of a place from north or south of the equator. But to measure east-west distance round the world, we need another line which join the North Pole and South Pole. These lines are known as longitude. Latitude. Look at the map. Equator divides Earth into two equal parts. Northern half is known as Northern Hemisphere and the latitudes, those are in Northern Hemisphere, they are denoted by N. The total number of latitudes in Northern Hemisphere is 90. Now, Southern half is known as Southern Hemisphere and the latitudes, those are running in Southern Hemisphere, they are denoted by S. The total number of latitudes in this hemisphere are 90. They are the angular distance from the equator. Look at the diagram. 30 degree latitudes. 30 degree latitude is the angular distance of 30 degree. Now 90 degree latitudes in Northern Hemisphere, it is the angle of 90 degree. That means the 90 degree latitude is drawn at the angle of 90 degree. In Northern Hemisphere, in Southern Hemisphere, just look at 45 degree latitude. They are drawn at the angle of 45 degree. 60 degree latitude. These latitudes is drawn at the angle of 60 degree latitude. Longitudes. Longitude is angular distance of a place east or west of prime meridian. They are imaginary semicircle running from North Pole to South Pole. The space between each longitude is diminishes as we move towards the pole. The total number of longitudes are 360, 80 in Eastern Hemisphere, 180 in Eastern Hemisphere and 180 in Western Hemisphere. In order to locate any place on the globe, the intersecting points of latitudes and longitudes are essential. Look at the diagram. Earth's longitude. Top view, 0 degree longitude. Divides it into two parts, eastern and western hemisphere. There are 180 longitudes in eastern hemisphere and 180 longitudes in western hemisphere. Earth's grid. The longitudes and latitudes together form Earth's grid. This grid is then used to mark a place on the globe with the help of longitudes and latitude that passes through the required place. Location of India. India lies in northern hemisphere. India's mainland extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north from Kanyakumari to Jammu and Kashmir. India's latitudinal extent 6 degree 45 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minute north from Andaman Nicobar to Jammu and Kashmir. India's longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. Look at the map. Latitudinal extent 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Longitudinal extent 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. North-south extent in kilometer 3,214 km from Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari. East-west extent 2,933 km from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Total area 3.28 million square kilometer. Look at the map. The northernmost latitude of India is 37 degree 6 minute north. Southernmost latitude of India 6 degree 45 minutes north. Westernmost longitude of India 68 degree 7 minute east. Easternmost longitude of India 97 degree 25 minute east. Southernmost latitudes of India's mainland 8 degree 4 minute north. The standard meridian of India 82.5 degree east. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, which divides India into two parts. India's size. India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, and India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country of the world. The 7 largest countries are, with area in million square kilometer. First, Russia 17.07 million square kilometer. Second, Canada 9.97 million square kilometer. Third, USA 9.80 million square kilometer. Fourth, China 9.59 million square kilometer. Fifth, Brazil, 8.54 million square kilometer. Sixth, Australia, 7.68 million square kilometer. And seventh, India, 3.28 million square kilometer. India's size. India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km. The total length of coastline, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is about 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by Yangfol Mountain in the north, west, north and northeast from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It has Bay of Bengal in the east and Arabian Sea in the west. Our two island groups, Andaman Nicobar, lies in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep lies in Arabian Sea. Look at the map. The standard meridian of India, 82.5 degree east, which passes through middle of the country, is selected as standard meridian of India. The time of this meridian is called Indian Standard Time, IST, and is followed throughout India. The standard meridian of India passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. India and the world. The Indian landmass is centrally located between West and East Asia. The Trans-Indian Ocean Route connects countries in the west and countries in the east. India's Deccan Peninsula helped India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe, Southeast and East Asia. India's contact with the world via land routes are much more than her maritime contact. India's and the world. India is the only nation which has an ocean named after it, Indian Ocean. India has contributed a lot to the world in the form of ideas, philosophies like Upanishad, Ramayana, Panchtantra, and mathematics like Indian number and decimal system. In exchange, India's architecture was influenced by Greek sculpture and architectural style from West Asia. Trade routes. Look at the map. Broken line shows the sea routes and red line shows the air routes. How India is connected with the world. India's neighbor. India has an important position in South Asia and has 28 states and 9 union territories. India shares its boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Bhutan. The southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Maldives and Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is separated from India by Pak Strait, a narrow strip of sea. India always have and had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. India stands apart from the rest of the Asia. India's neighbors. Look at the map. India shares its land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Look at the map. China, Nepal and Bhutan. Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east. Look at the map. Bangladesh and Myanmar. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries are first Sri Lanka, second Maldives. Do you know? Now let us take a quick look at the fact given in chapter 1. The southernmost point of Indian Union, Indira Point, got submerged under the sea water in 2004 during the tsunami. Since the opening of Suez Canal in 1869, India's distance from Europe has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers. Before 1947, there were two types of states in India, the provinces and the princely states. Provinces were ruled directly by British officials who were appointed by the viceroy. Princely states were ruled by the local hereditary rulers who acknowledged sovereignty in return for local autonomy. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar. That's all for today. See you next time. Take very good care of yourself.